let's say you're brand new to YouTube and you want to ensure that the effort you're putting in is actually going to pay out in dollars, y'all. Well, in this video, I'm going to break down several strategies that you can stack on top of each other so that you can make money from day one. Now, the strategies that I'm going to share with you are real strategies that I have personally implemented within my business, and I have seen return on investment, and has gotten me to the point where today I am 100% full-time on YouTube because of all of these things that I've put into place. And the best part is a lot of these strategies are based on passive income, and they will last for years to come. So YouTube is very much like building a pipeline type income, right? You do the work in advance and then it pays out over a long period of time. So let's talk about how to get started on YouTube, make money from day one, even if you're a beginning YouTuber, and be able to build that pipeline income over a long span of time so that you can make money while you sleep, because ain't that the dream for all of us? Option 1, sell your services. Let's say you are a service-based business owner, or maybe you're an online coach and you need to increase awareness around what it is that you do. Well, YouTube is a fantastic way to do that. This is how I personally got started. I was a video marketer who was actually shooting and editing videos for clients, and I used YouTube to increase awareness around the different information that I had to give clients, and this helped increase the overall demand, which allowed me to raise my rates and become a little bit more picky about who I said yes to and no to. And all that happened before I even had 1,000 subscribers. So how did I do it? Let's talk about it. Now, I don't want to go too deep into the weeds on this one, but I want to give you a high-level overview. But if that is something that you are interested in doing, then be sure to subscribe to this channel, because that's what it's all about. My top tip for you in this area is to focus your efforts on creating content that are going to educate prospects on what it is that you do. So you want to get people started on the specific process that you're going to walk them through when they do hire you. Now, there's many different ways to go about that. That is a very vague way of explaining it. So let's dive into a specific detail. So I was a video marketer, or a videographer, some might say as well, who was shooting and editing videos for clients. People would come to my website and they would be looking at multiple different people's websites, multiple videographers, to decide who to work with. Well, how am I going to take that prospect from knowing nothing about me to choosing me amidst all of these other people to work with, right? So what I did was start to educate them on what they might be struggling with in that moment. How much are they going to have to pay in order to do a video? What if they have some insecurities about getting on video in the first place? Like, how do I make them feel comfortable with that? How are they going to go about the scripting process? How does that process work? Do they need to do it? Am I going to do it for them? I started answering questions for them. And at the same time, I was using these videos in order to also get ranked on YouTube for a cold audience. So I was playing the long-term YouTube game while also focusing on my local market and helping prospects within that market understand better what services I provide and how to go about hiring someone like me. Now, one key to having this actually work for you is that you need to promote your videos. You can't just be that person that uploads to YouTube and hope that people watch. It's just not going to happen. When you're first getting started, you need to generate your own views. So what I recommend doing is focusing on letting people within your immediate network be aware of the fact that you're posting these videos. And the way that you're going to do that is by promoting them on your different social media platforms, even if you don't have a big following. You likely have people following you on Facebook from way back in the day. You've connected with random people on LinkedIn. Maybe you have a personal Instagram account. This is how you get started in promoting your videos. You take the video thumbnail that you created for YouTube and you're going to just post it and promote it on these other platforms. People are not going to click through and watch your video on YouTube, so don't expect that. But what they will do is see every single topic of what you are creating, and they're going to see that you are staying consistent. This is going to pique their curiosity, as well as place you as the expert in the area of whatever you're creating videos about. As you do this, word will begin to spread and you will notice an increase in demand on your overall services. So this is how you use YouTube to sell your current products and services without having to have a massive audience on YouTube. Super quick note, if you want a deeper dive into everything I just talked about in terms of how to use video to sell your services online and what that looks like when you're first getting started and people aren't really commenting or liking or anything like that, then be sure to check out the free training that is linked in the description below. It is super solid. I put over 100 hours into it, and it is the full big picture of how to make this happen for yourself. So definitely check it out. Option 2, scalable products. So at this stage, you need to create scalable products that you can sell to this cold audience that is getting to know you. So this needs to be something that you can sell someone across the world and they can partake. They're not in your local market. They can't buy your current products and services, assuming that you only serve a local market. So you need to create things like PDFs or different worksheets, different workbooks, different trainings, anything like that that someone could download and pay you money for. This could also be courses and memberships or group coaching programs. Just to ensure we're not speaking abstractly here, let me give you some examples of how I've done this within my business. So the first thing that I created was a social teaser template. This was a very quick template that someone could use to create 1-minute videos for Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook. I will be sure to link to this in the description below if you are interested. The second thing that I created was YouTube transition packages. This is something that my audience was consistently asking me, hey Amanda, how do you create all these graphics for your videos? So I decided to make their lives easier by just creating a package that I sold on my website. The next product up from there was actually selling an online course. So my membership, Launch with Video, gives access to me as well as an online course where people can learn how to produce videos in the fastest way possible, following the systems that I've set up for this YouTube channel. So that has been a big way to monetize this channel, is getting the word out there about that program so that people can come join in a scalable fashion. Option 3, affiliate marketing. This is a strategy that you can implement from day one, but you do have to be patient to see the outcome of it. However, it is an amazing source of revenue, especially a passive income source of revenue once you have done it properly. So what is affiliate marketing? It's when you take the products, software, and different things that you recommend and you link to them below your video. So you could do this for Amazon. You can have anything that you want to talk about from Amazon that you could buy there. You can use Amazon affiliate links in your description. You could do software reviews. You could do gear reviews within your whatever industry that you're in and talk about these things. And whenever someone clicks the link, you get a kickback for that. To give you an idea of what is possible in this area, I am making roughly $800 a month off Amazon just by having these links in the description below in my videos and people click on them. The cool thing about Amazon is when someone does click on one of those links, they go to Amazon, they add other things to their cart because let's be real, who doesn't buy everything from there? Then you get paid on the entire cart price, not just the link that they clicked on. So that is a really cool way to make money, and it is 100% passive income. Option 4, sponsored videos. As you can see, these strategies start to stack on top of each other depending on how big your channel is. So as you start gaining influence on YouTube, brands are going to reach out to you to promote their products and service. And this goes hand in hand with the affiliate revenue strategy as well. So these brands will reach out to you, they'll say, hey, can I pay you to promote our product and service? If it is in alignment with what it is that you would like to promote, this is really big because your audience will be able to tell if you're not genuine about it. Then you can say yes to that offer. They will pay you to create a video as well as have an affiliate link likely to promote them. So you'll be making double revenue on those videos. Personally, I say no to a lot of the sponsors that reach out to me because there's a misalignment. but for the ones that are aligned, it's a win-win all around. Option 5, ad revenue. And here's the way that everyone knows that you make money on YouTube, and that is actually monetizing your channel. Now, you can't do this from the get-go, so it takes some time to be able to get to this stage. But if you have 4,000 minutes of watch time, I think it is, and 1,000 subscribers, then you can monetize your channel and you get paid for how many views you get. This will vary depending on how well your channel is doing, so it's not necessarily a consistent paycheck every month. It might go up and down, but it is also 100% passive income, and if you stop creating videos, you're still gonna get paid on the videos that you created in the past. So it is really an amazing resource. If you're curious to know how much I make off YouTube at the stage that I am in, then click through right here to watch that video. Otherwise, be sure to click like and drop your comments below, letting me know if this video is helpful for you. I love reading your comments and hitting you back and having conversations with you, because this is genuinely a two-way street. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.